What's up, crypto community? Welcome back to my YouTube channel. Today we are going to explore PinkWallet, a platform designed to connect crypto, banking, and global financial markets in one unified ecosystem. Before we begin, a quick clarification. This video is for educational and informational purpose only. It is not a financial advice. Do your own research before making any decision. Let's dive in details. Weaver's PinkWallet is designed as a multi-layer financial platform that brings together digital assets, international banking access, and global investment opportunities well in a single system. Instead of managing different financial tools separately, users can operate within one connected environment where crypto, banking, and market access work together in a structured and efficient way. Weaver's PinkWallet operates under multiple international financial frameworks, including US MSB registration, Canada MSB framework, European Union VAST standards, and New Zealand FSP authorization. This structure is built to support regulated and transparent cross-border financial operations across different regions. Here you can also check out the product features. PinkWallet also includes a set of practical financial tools designed for everyday global use. Easy crypto purchase. This feature enables users to make quick cryptocurrency purchases by supporting direct credit and payments. And the next feature is instant exchange. It provides one-click exchange service for over 2,000 cryptocurrencies and 50 fiat currencies at the best available rates. Next feature is international remittance. Users can perform cross-border remittance to more than 50 countries with the benefit of low fees and fast deposits. And direct crypto spending is a feature that a platform offers a free Pink Visa card application, allowing for flexible spending of digital assets across global payment networks. And the next feature, it supports all accounts. This system provides flexible verification for both personal and corporate users to ensure smooth business operations. And the next feature, it allows for the setup of a free online personal bank account that includes an overseas IBAN for a global financial setup. So Weaver, these are the amazing feature, and here you can also check out that it supports 2,000 plus cryptocurrencies, and by using this platform you can build your crypto portfolio, because the platform provides a card-based solution that connects digital balances with real-world spending. Users can use their funds through global payment system, making digital assets usable for everyday transactions. Viewers, I have downloaded the Android application of PinkWallet and registered my account. And here you can check out the user interface of the PinkWallet application. Very cool and very user-friendly. Now I will explain its different features one by one. So here you can check out interface. You can check out different features. You can also check out my account profile. Now I will explain one by one. So first one is swap feature. That swap feature allows users to exchange supported digital assets, fiat currencies directly inside the platform. It is designed to make conversions fast, smooth, and independent from external exchanges or additional services. And the next amazing feature is crypto, where users can store and manage multiple cryptocurrencies within a single unified account. The system is built with a global focus, giving users a structured and easy way to handle digital assets. You can also check out the feature of Buy Crypto. PinkWallet allows users to purchase cryptocurrencies directly using debit or credit card. This makes entry into digital assets simple, fast, and more accessible. So viewers, the next amazing feature which I want to check is stock trading and global investment. So here you can check out that it provides you access to the international stock markets. Users can explore major exchanges such as United States stock markets, and you can also check out Hong Kong stock markets. This enables exposure to both traditional equities and digital assets within one ecosystem, supporting a more balanced and diversified financial approach. Instead of separating financial worlds, everything is brought together into a single platform. Viewers, one of the key features is overseas banking access. Users can open international bank accounts in regions such as United States, United Kingdoms, and Europe. These accounts are created under the user's own legal identity and support major currencies, including US dollar, Great Britain pound, and euro. To activate the service, users are required to complete their KYC, and then they will have to pay a one-time account opening fee along with standard verification and maintenance charges depending on account type and the policies of the platform. The entire process is fully online. PinkWallet enables users to receive international payments in currencies such as US dollar and euro. This is especially useful for freelancers, remote workers, and online businesses dealing with global accounts. And with global clients, it helps convert international income into a more organized and structured financial flow. PinkWallet includes a referral system where users can generate and share their invitation link and invitation code. When new users join and complete required platform steps, a 20% commission may be earned depending on platform rules and activity conditions. So here you can check out my invitation link, and my invitation code has been created. Now I will explain how can you register your account and how can you use the application. So beware, the process is very simple. Getting started is simple. You will have to download the official PinkWallet application that is available on Apple Store and Google Play Store. Link has been provided on the website. And after that, you will have to register your account with the help of your email. A verification code will be sent to your email. And after putting this information and registering your account, you will have to complete the identity verification KYC process. And after it, you will have to select your account type, and then you will have to pay the required account opening fee. The opening fee is one time, and the annual fee can be canceled anytime if opening fails. So after that, you will have to activate your account and start using the platform. So this is how you can activate and open your account. Now I will explain the social media communities. Viewers, you can join the Telegram community of PinkWallet, and you can also follow PinReddit on Twitter. These social media communities help users stay updated with news, discussions, and real-time platform updates in a more interactive way, along with shared users' experience and insights. You can also subscribe the YouTube channel of PinkWallet to get tutorials and other video content about the platforms. Viewers, PinkWallet is a platform that positions itself as an integrated financial ecosystem that combines crypto, banking, payments, and global market access into one structured platform. For users exploring modern financial tools, it offers a more unified and practical way to manage international finance. If you found this video helpful, check the link in the description for more details, and don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more content like this. Thanks for watching, and I'll catch you in the next one.